just a cosmic girl from another galaxy. Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome back to another episode of
Mouthfull.
Woo! And today we're gonna juggle. Can you actually juggle?
I can't juggle.
Right, okay. I'm gonna try it and then you try it and see who's the best.
Okay.
Imagine if I'm an amazing juggler.
Imagine if I am.
Do you know Dawn's dad was in the circus?
Did you know that?
No, that's a fact. Take that in.
Really?
He was a lion tamer, wasn't he, Dawn?
He was.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let's hope that he is not up there
You're not
judging me.
juggling, you're literally passing one line to another.
Right, Chris, can you juggle?
I can do it, yeah.
Shut up!
Can you?
Juggle 3 balls.
Get
Cut to
here.
Chris juggling.
Come on, Chris. Whoa! Yeah, what?
Well, it goes under your... Right, Lisa, why have we got limes?
Okay, we've got limes because our cocktail today is a Cosmo, and we've been trying to think of a name for it.
We were thinking maybe like Cosmopolitan.
No, Dawn, what was yours? Pulling up it.
Cosmic Mouthfull.
That wasn't it. Cosmic, you said.
Yeah.
You know, this is my mum's favourite cocktail.
Why were you like kind of...
I don't know.
Okay, yeah, your mum's favourite cocktail.
Yeah, she loves it.
We're going to pair this today with the most amazing Camembert starter. Again, both things so easy. Now, you might have noticed, Dom, we're doing everything in a jug at the moment. Why is that?
That's because your cocktail shaker is absolutely useless and gets alcohol everywhere, and I'd rather it was in my mouth.
Right, so we're cutting up the limes because it does have limes in it. It also has vodka. It has Cointreau or an orange liqueur.
And what are the measurements of each?
Hold on, but the main ingredient is cranberry juice. I think what I'm going to do is 6 with the vodka, 3 with the Cointreau. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, and then I think like half of the Cointreau. Oh, isn't that a lovely colour, that copper lid?
Isn't it gorgeous?
No, but isn't it though?
Yeah,
that's a great nail colour. 1, 2, 3, 4 actually. Squeezing in, I didn't roll them again. So then we're going to squeeze in some limes. Let's squeeze in all 5 limes. Off you go, Dom.
5 limes?
Yeah. Okay, then the key ingredient is the cranberry juice. We have already got ice in the jug because, like we said, we're not shaking, so we're going to stir. Shaken, not stirred. Stirred, not shaken. Well, that's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I'm just going to put like all of this in.
Yeah, nice.
Well, as much as I fit in the jug, to be honest with you. The colour is gorgeous.
It's very apt for Valentine's Day, which is...
Round the corner.
Just round the
What do you think about Valentine's Day?
It's a load of old hokum.
I agree.
Yeah. Oh God, she's gone silent. Which either means she's already drunk or...
It's good, it needs a bit more lime.
Right.
But I'm a limey person.
Yeah, you are quite bitter, aren't you?
Right, okay, that's in. Let me have another taste.
And Cointreau.
Isn't that like a... Yeah. That's good.
Yeah,
Oh,
a
here
bit
we
too
go.
limey. I keep taking a sip and then putting a spoon back
There's
in.
so much alcohol in there that we are going to be absolutely fine.
Okay, good. Also, I don't have any diseases.
That you know of.
Okay, so we now need to drain it. Should I put a sieve above it? Yeah, let's do that.
Oh no, this is all going to go wrong. Are you serious? No.
Just over the glass.
No. It's going to go everywhere. No.
Well, just because it'll keep the ice in there, because we don't want the ice in the glass.
Lisa,
Come on,
no,
can't we just
no.
try it?
It's going to go everywhere.
Is it? Are you sure?
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
That is freaking... I am an actual genius.
No.
That is... Stop! No, now the glass is nearly full. No, that is... I'm telling you...
I'm cracking on with that.
Genius.
I'm just going to do this, which is probably a little bit more elegant.
Okay.
Oh, you see?
But you're making more mess than I was.
Yeah, but that's because this jug's useless.
Okay, just get ice
Do you
in
know it
that.
looks like jelly?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Jelly is so overrated. Like, who wants jelly with their pudding? Hope you're getting this, Chris. Oh, yeah, let's get some more ASMRs.
Oh, wow, that sounds great.
Oh, you spoke over it.
Sorry.
Do we need to garnish this?
No.
What about, don't we do an orange peel and set it on fire?
Oh, yeah, well, I can do that.
How incredible are these flowers? My auction direct flowers
they're
this
beautiful.
week.
They are absolutely gorgeous.
Aren't they amazing?
Yeah.
Anyway, sorry, but I have got an orange.
An orange would be great.
Right, Ez. Relax,
What are you lighting on fire? You're lighting the peel on fire?
We're lighting the peel on fire.
Oh.
So we're going to
Shit.
cut a little bit of peel.
You're doing it, I'm not doing it. Right, what do you do?
So I'm going to twist it. It's got
Where do I light under?
No, it's not doing it.
Well, you've tried for half a second.
Right, okay. Go on, really.
Don't burn your fingers, Dom. I'm scared.
Oh, no, that didn't work.
Well, just stop chucking it in the drink. Oh, for God's sake, give me a bit.
But you've got to get the. No, you're just. No, don't put that in there.
What do you do?
Come here.
Wait.
There you go. That was it.
Oh.
Was that it?
Yeah. Did you get it? No.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
When you slow
I
that.
was expecting like a...
No.
Oh, sorry, Chris.
It's just the oil.
Yeah. If you first, as you're walking out, first review.
Amazing.
Good? Okay. Cheers. Maybe like a really soft one so it doesn't spill.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Spitting everywhere.
Did you say congratulations? I was gonna. That's good, right?
Yeah. That is nice.
That is absolutely gorgeous. Have you downed yours? Dom!
I know, and I need to make camembert next. So,
Oh, wow. Okay, well, we better hurry up before he's absolutely smashed on the floor. Let's go. Okay, we are here for the Camembert. What's it called?
It's called Camembert Twisty Thing.
Great. That's actually, I love that name. Love it.
Yeah, Camembert Twisty Thing. Now, you know, like this actually is, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm Dom in the Kitchen on Instagram.
Wow, PR. Yeah.
It was the most popular, it's been so far the most popular thing I've ever baked. And it is the...
Oh my God, over your soup. Such a shock.
You are so horrible. It is, yeah, it's so simple to make and it's so tasty and it's really shareable. I know they're very good. It's really shareable, which is what you want on Valentine's Day because you want to dribble cheese down
is this suddenly a full... Well, you wanted what?
Dribble cheese down your loved one's chin so you can lick it off.
Or chest.
Or chest.
Not if it's hairy like yours.
No, then it'd be like a wax, wouldn't it?
I love Camembert and I do love a tear and share of anything. I think it works so well. And this is gluten-free puff pastry.
Who knew?
You've scrunched up the paper, you rolled it up, and then apparently it fits better.
It does. So it's kind of nicer. And then onto it will go the one sheet
puff pastry.
So first layer, you're going to use 2 layers of this gorgeous puff pastry. The first layer is down.
Yeah.
And then we're going to use this incredible caramelised red onion chutney.
Okay.
Now, obviously, this is from the wonderful Marks & Spencer, but there are other brands out there available too.
We're not on ITV yet.
If you could use anything here.
That smells amazing.
Oh my God, it's incredible. It's actually very strong as well. So, I mean, like, don't go bonkers, but it's just gonna go all over. It's gonna go right to the edge like that.
Yeah.
And then we get the second layer of puff pastry. Take your puff pastry out of the fridge a good half hour before you use it.
That was the massive mistake, because I've actually only just discovered gluten-free puff pastry, and I tried to make a pie the other day, and it wouldn't sit properly over the top, but I took it straight from the fridge.
Yeah, and also because, the end bit, the bit that's kind of tucked, rolled up, is too cold, and it cracks.
Oh, that's what happens.
So that's what you want to do.
What
so just press it down ever so slightly.
Can I press it down?
Of course you can. Now, we've got this gorgeous President Camembert.
It was on sale, like,
right,
so
exactly.
that's why I got it.
And you want to get it right in the middle.
Hold on, in the pot?
No, hold on, just wait. We're just going to mark it first in the middle. There you go.
God, it's like Blue Peter.
Isn't it?
You're not going to waste the...
Oh, no.
You're going to put it on top?
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, this is great. Look at this. It's like button moon.
Now this goes back into the middle. Now you do actually have to take the cheese out of the plastic wrap before it goes in. No, that goes in there like that.
Oh.
Yeah, these go in the oven. That can go in the oven.
Oh, it's wood.
I know.
Genius.
And that goes in there. And then we're going to cut a few little dashes in here, and you're going to cut up some slithers of garlic.
Okay.
And you're going to push those into these little slots that I've created in the top of the cheese.
So skin off.
Yeah, and I think you really want just like nice chunky slithers.
Would you call a chunky sliver a chunky sliver, or would you call it a chunky bit?
Well, I mean, you don't want that bit of raw garlic, because this doesn't take that long in the oven, so you don't want like a massive piece of raw garlic.
Okay, what about this?
Yeah, I'm going to put in the ones that we don't put garlic, we're going to put some rosemary. So they just go in like that. Look at that. Right, now comes the magic.
Okay.
We're going to cut not all the way to the end. I'll do it around that side. We're just going to cut all the way through. So we've got east and west. Now we're going to do north and south. I feel like I'm on play school.
Yeah.
Can everyone see that, kids? And then we're going to go. Then we're going to go like this.
Yeah.
And like this.
Oh.
And like this. And we're going to go all the way around. And then comes the fun bit. Are you going to do this along with me, Lisa?
Can you stop this voice? Because I'm literally going to put that camembert in your face.
Okay.
Right, what are we going to do?
Right, we're going to take obviously both sheets together, and we're going to twist. Twisty, 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 twisty. Make sure you don't rip the bit off at the end, because it can come off. Just...
Am I doing it right?
Yeah, perfect.
Like that?
I would just pick it up a little bit more and just twist.
Like this?
Perfect, it's perfect.
You're so patronising.
She's doing a great job, isn't she?
Literally. This is cool though.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really fun. It's really great to do for a group of people.
Gorgeous.
And that goes into the oven.
What about this bit?
Oh, that bit. That's the best bit. I forgot about that.
Do you have to take all the garlic out now?
No. So what we're going to do now is make a little hat for it.
You're literally making this up.
I'm not. This is what you do.
Okay, go on.
So we go across the middle like this.
Yeah.
But not all the way to the edge. So just doing right across the middle. And then we plop this on the top. And then we peel back to reveal the gorgeous bits of garlic.
Oh, okay. So do we put this in the oven?
Yeah, in it goes.
For how long?
25 minutes, basically until the cheese is bubbling and this is nice and golden.
Okay, let's get it in.
I'm so excited about this.
I am so excited. I mean, literally, what beats hot cheese?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, so we're getting it out of the oven. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wow, that... Oh, hold on, we need to do the ASMR again because, listen. Can you hear the crackling? The great thing about this is that you can literally put it in the middle of the table.
I love it. Everyone...
Were you just walking in? Sorry, what I will say is that Dom took that out of the oven, put it down. Chris was like, continuity, guys. So there he is.
Well, we did a spare one because there's a few of us.
The more cheese, the better. So we're going to just get everyone down here, and it's literally like a pull and tear, isn't it?
Oh, it's the best kind of thing, isn't it? Like just everyone just tucking in. Should we just tuck in without them?
Should we just stop talking? Oh, should we try a bit about them? We can't do that. We've never done that. Okay.
Oh, look at that. A bit of cheese pull. Oh.
Here we go. Everyone have a mouthful.
It smells so good, doesn't it?
Oh my God. Get stuck in. Go. Go, guys.
It's going to be molten hot.
Literally, I mean...
Pretty naughty, isn't it?
It's fair to say that is a huge success. Great for dinner parties. I mean, if you can hear all that you know it's good. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back next week. Bye. See ya.